Watch him. Good.
Hello to part 3 of the meet and greet ride at Majestic Trails, my fellow riders. Today we're going to get a little wet. Some of us are going to get a little lost, and we are going to do a little bit of drag racing today. So don't forget to smash that like button as you guys watch, and I hope you enjoy today's video.
I think I was a little steeper than what he was expecting. I'll have to ask him if that was a pucker moment. That wasn't for me. I wasn't even riding. Wow. Well, you couldn't see. That was just like you came up over it. It was straight down.
Yeah, we did come up over this.
No, we didn't come up over this way.
This one?
No.
You were going to follow him through there for a minute.
What's that?
You were going to go for it there.
I was, so I saw him. When you can see the front skid plate underneath us, you know.
I wonder how front heavy those X2s are.
I don't know.
I mean, this nose dives a little bit. I wonder if they're pretty flush or if they really...
You think they would because there's not as much weight out back as there is with these. That's nasty.
It's shallower on the left side.
I needed my 500. I have it, my Pioneer 500. I have all snorkeled and.
This side's deeper, at least it was. This side before my daughter could go through on her. Fortunately, no problem.
So I gotta ask you, was that a pucker moment back there for you?
Where?
When you went over that bump and then it was just down.
I'm getting used to that.
We were like,
Jump up in the air on you?
What's that?
The back end jump up on you?
Yeah, well, he hit it hard. You couldn't tell because that came up over there just like donk. We saw you go. It was like, whoa, jeez.
Will sneak up on you.
Yeah.
I say we go for it. Right down the middle.
We'll just ease her into it. You got. Oh wait, Seth.
Yeah.
Your lunchbox is hard, right?
What? Yeah.
Covered. You're gonna hit the middle?
Yeah.
We'll have to take our plugs out. Seth's got his feet up. Take our drain plugs out. Oh, I'm in diff lock.
So where's the plug at?
We'll stop and take them out.
Yeah, that's what they call the plate pond.
Oh, I forgot to put my throttle max up. There we go. I was like, why does that pedal feel so funny? Dang it, I still forgot to adjust the shocks up on the front.
That's alright.
Yeah, little bottom, yeah. I knew there was no staying out of the ruts though with that guy. Still waiting? No, he's just right down there.
I saw him coming when we were down there. He probably got stuck in the wrong.
I wonder. Well, the motorcycle's made it up by though. Cause that was just right there.
Unless he went the other way. Because there was a straight road right there.
Probably. That's blue. Do we head down and see if we run onto him, or do we go straight? Stop. Nothing coming. That's not that bad. It's steep. It wasn't that steep. Let's quit gawking. For him, he found you, huh?
He was right behind me the whole time. What?
Was he ahead of you?
He was right with me the whole time. We're waiting here.
We thought he was behind.
He come up a trail right with me and followed me.
Oh, so he must have went off a little out scoot and then got
trails, back. If you go off on a blue trail, it'll come right, but it's just an offshoot of a green.
Oh, okay.
Greens are the mains, and then the blues are more difficult offshoots, but they always tie back.
They go back in. Okay, yeah. So that works.
That's funny.
Well, I'll remember to turn my shocks up.
Wait, what are you doing?
Turn my shocks down so you bounce around more.
Hey, please leave them. Just throw my back shocks back. Wrong hand, man. I'm doing both. I don't know. We're going to figure it out here in a minute.
side-by-side roam. Come on, Dan, help me out.
Yeah. I can't hardly hear it. You can pick up a bit.
You give me a home where the side-by-sides roam, where Polaris and Can-Am are broke down all day. What's that?
Down the wipe and had it sitting like that.
Yeah, he did the same thing we did around there.
He wasn't roofing
Where seldom is heard a belt snap from a Yamaha, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Riding down at Majestic Trails, through the woods and the puddles we play.
Gotta call a friend right now.
Okay.
So Majestic Trails has this real nice pavilion area. It's kind of right in the middle of their campground. We decided to stop and get a bite of lunch. It's got a good view here, and the sun was shining bright. It was nice and warm, so I figured a good place to dry out as well.
You guys gonna try to eat like that? I want to see you seriously try to eat like that.
We got two, Jason.
I think Seth needs smacked or something. You know, you're lifting. This is supposed to be on these concretes,
Yeah, we know.
and you're kind of lifting it off.
Thanks, Jason.
Okay, I get my lunch.
Give it a good old whip.
And what better way to let your food settle than to play a game of spare tire, carrier, cover, frisbee.
Don't. Dan just chucks it at your head. Doo-doo-doo-doo. That's a nice little dozer. That's what I need up my place for trail maintenance.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Now that I've ate, I don't feel like driving as fast. I don't know if it's because my belly's full or what, but puddle.
I'll donate $50.
Did you hear what he said? I can't hear him. Here, Seth, have some bud. Payback! Alright, where's another guy? Let's make sure they come the right way. He sees us, we're good. Here comes the other guy, he should see us too. Stay out of the ruts. Yay, we did it! Woohoo! Kicking her sideways, sideways, kicking her sideways again. Whoa! Scare ya? Seth, wake up!
That's why I had nightmares about your other fender.
Oh, don't say that. Caution, trees ahead.
I'm gonna tell you, this is the drag race track.
Oh,
If you want to line up, I'll race you.
sure.
Yeah.
Just a little short course.
Yeah. I don't know how rough it's gonna be.
I got good shocks.
I don't.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
On your
So I say, you count her off, Seth.
on your mark, get set, go.
There's a difference in weight.
You got it.
Yeah. Big determining factor was weight on that. Alright, we're going to see how the X4 does against you. That thing flies. Whew. Alright, Seth.
Watch him.
There he goes.
That's not bad though, honestly. Same thing.
We stayed with you better than I thought we were going to, but we got about halfway and you just walked ahead.
Yeah, the takeoff on this is pretty good though.
Yeah, I think we get him just a little bit on the jump off the line, but then he just pulls ahead. Run, Dan, run!
Well, being 2 passengers heavier, we were pretty much even.
Yeah, that's it. You started to pull ahead there. That's probably just the difference in weight.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed part 3 of our meet and greet ride at Majestic Trails. Coming up in part 4, we are going to hit the designated mud trail here at Majestic Trails, which should be some good times. If you guys have seen my previous videos, you already know we get into some good times with the X4. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you like my content, you can support Appalachian Mountain Riders through buying my merch from my Teespring store, by supporting me on Patreon, or visiting my Amazon influencers page where you can find parts, accessories for your ATV and side-by-side. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on riding.